And more news coming in. Punjab Chief Minister is now doubling down on the centre. Man says landing army planes in Punjab is wrong. How will the BJP face people for 2027 Punjab elections is the question that the Chief Minister is asking. The second flight of deputies is to land in Amritsar. The opposition has been seeing red. Minister Ravneet Bittu is to receive the deputies. Remember, this is a flight with 119 deputies that is to land in Punjab today.
ਇਹ ਦੇਖ ਲੈਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਿ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਨੂੰ ਬਦਨਾਮ ਨਾ ਕਰੋ, ਪੰਜਾਬੀਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਬਦਨਾਮ ਨਾ ਕਰੋ, ਜਾਂ ਫਿਰ ਪੰਜਾਬੀਆਂ ਤੇ ਗੁੱਸਾ ਨਾ ਕੱਢੋ ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਜਿਤਾਉਂਦੇ ਨਹੀਂ। ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਡੈਮੋਕ੍ਰੇਸੀ ਹੈ, ਕੋਈ ਚੰਗੀਆਂ ਨੀਤੀਆਂ ਚੰਗਾ ਆ ਕੰਮ ਜਿੱਤਣ ਵਾਲੇ ਆ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਆ। 2027 ਚ ਕਿਹੜੇ ਮੂੰਹ ਨਾਲ ਆਉਣਗੇ ਫਿਰ ਇੱਥੇ ਵੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਇੱਥੇ ਭੇਜੇ ਸੀਗੇ? ਹਰ ਪਿੰਡ 'ਚ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਉਹ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਮਿਲਣਗੇ। ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਕੋਈ ਇਨਫੋਰਮੇਸ਼ਨ ਅਜੇ ਤੱਕ ਆਈ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਿ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ बेड़ियां लाइया हुई ने ਜਾਂ हथकड़ियां लाइया हुई ने। पर ਇਹ ਨੈਸ਼ਨਲ ਲੈਵਲ ਤੇ ਮੋਦੀ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਮੁੱਦਾ ਪਰਸੋਂ ਟਰੰਪ ਕੋਲੇ ਚੱਕਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਸੀ ਕਿ ਜੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਭੇਜ ਹੀ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ ਅਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਜਹਾਜ਼ ਭੇਜ ਦਿੰਨੇ ਆ, ਬਾਕੀ ਦੇਸ਼ ਆਪਣੇ ਜਹਾਜ਼ ਭੇਜ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ, ਆਪਾਂ ਕਿਉਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਸੈਨਿਕ ਜਹਾਜ਼ ਇੱਥੇ ਉਤਾਰ ਜਾਂਦੇ?
All right, Punjab Chief Minister Bhagwant Mann, they're doubling down on the centre, talking about the fact that getting the plane to land in Punjab is unfair. It sends out a wrong message. Also talking about the fact that an army plane is landing in Punjab, and that is purely incorrect, is what the opposition has said. Remember, the opposition has been saying red from day one, ever since the first plane had landed on the 5th of February in Punjab. This was the first plane of illegal immigrants from Punjab and other parts of the country that had landed from the US under the new administration's policy under President Donald Trump. The opposition has been criticizing this from day one, saying that the immigrants are not just from Punjab but from different parts of the country. Aman is with us for the very latest. Aman, the centre, of course, has made it clear that this is a plane that's landing in Punjab, but the opposition once again reiterating the charge that what's the need to do so, because you end up sending a wrong signal. Now Bhagwant Mann has stepped in and said that landing an army plane in Punjab is also wrong.
Exactly, because Punjab is a border state, and this particular area, the city Amritsar, is just surrounded by the border itself of the nation. And Hali, it's in it's single digits border from here. So landing the military aircraft of country like USA is not right, is not appropriate. That's what Punjab's chief minister is saying. And also the arrangements that should be made, they had ensured that arrangements, whether it's a vehicular arrangements or staying of the deportees here or feeding them with the food. So that's what the Punjab government has ensured and arranged so far. But considering the other things like what action they have taken in last 3 years, what the communication has been made by the Punjab government, and so that seems to be uncleared by the government. And also so far 10 FIRs has been registered on the such agents who has sent this persons to several countries. And now when the deportees are back here, today 67 and tomorrow 54, so from all these the people who belong to Punjab, from these deportees, the statement will be taken, the thorough investigation will be carried out, and also if they Punjab government feels to be facilitate them with the job opportunity. So that's also what Punjab government is going to try. And right now I'm here at Amritsar airport. In some time Union Minister Ravneet Singh Bittu is also arriving here, who will ensure the safety precautions and also the arrangements that have been made here at the airport by the airport authority. And also Punjab's chief minister also claimed that it's a airport authority and all the jurisdiction comes under the union ministry and union government. So there's nothing that Punjab government can do here.
Okay, nothing that the Punjab government can do, but upset about this move nevertheless, leaving it at that. Aman Bhardwaj getting in those details from Punjab at this point in time where the plane is just about to land.